Here's how to fix it if Instagram Reels or videos keep freezing. Now, if you're on Instagram, you're trying to watch a video, but it keeps lagging or freezing in the middle of it. I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's open up the Instagram app here and tap on Reels. Now, you might be watching a video and it might not load fully at the very bottom. So you can see the little load bar as it starts playing, and as you swipe through, it might just not be playing. The first thing I would recommend doing is just closing out of the app. So swiping up and closing out of the Instagram app and opening it up again, seeing if that fixes it. The second thing I would recommend doing is opening up a web browser here, and we're going to type in "is Instagram down?" Now, just head to Down Detector here and see if there's a huge spike in reported outages, because sometimes the Instagram videos will be lagging or glitching because the Instagram servers are down. So if it is down and there's a big spike in reported outages, you usually need to wait a few hours for that to get up and running, and then it should work normal. The next thing we will check is your internet connection, because of course you need a fast internet connection to be able to stream and load those videos. So we're going to type in speed test here and hit run speed test. So you want anything over, say, 5 megabytes per second to be able to play these videos with it lagging and glitching and all that stuff. If you have a really slow internet connection, you can see mine is fairly slow right now. You can just swipe down from the top right. You can toggle on airplane mode and then just toggle it back off just to reconnect to your internet to help speed things back up. Now, the last thing you can check is potentially there's a glitch or bug in the Instagram app. So let's head into your settings here. We will tap on General and then iPhone Storage. Now, from here, all you need to do is find the Instagram app, and we're going to offload this app and reinstall it. The nice thing is this force updates it to the latest version, and it deletes all of the temporary file and cache within the app and helps to fix a lot of times if there is bugs or glitches in that app. So after it's done downloading and installing a fresh new copy, you can just open it up and those reels or videos should be playing normal. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.